In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe InDesign. To install Adobe InDesign, open any browser on your computer and search for Adobe InDesign Download. In the search results, you will see a link to the official Adobe website. Click on this link to open the download page for Adobe InDesign. On the download page, you will see that Adobe offers a 7-day free trial for InDesign. Click on Start Free Trial. After that, you will be presented with different subscription plans. Choose the plan that suits you best and click Continue. You will see the payment details on the right side of the screen. Keep in mind that you will not be charged until the 7-day trial period ends. Next, enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, open another browser tab and search for Download Adobe Creative Cloud. Go to the official Adobe website and download the Creative Cloud installer. Open the setup file and follow the instructions to install Creative Cloud. After installing Creative Cloud, sign in using the same email and password you used to purchase the InDesign subscription. In the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps section and scroll down to find InDesign. Click Install. A progress bar will appear showing the installation status. Once the installation is complete, InDesign will be ready to use. And this is how you can install Adobe InDesign.